Hello guys, in this video we will see a demo of distributed time-consuming tasks, or work using RabbitMQ. The idea behind queues is to avoid wait time for long time-consuming tasks. For example, there is some task which is resource-intensive task, which might take time varying from some seconds to some minutes. So in such scenarios, we cannot wait for those tasks to finish. This architecture is useful in such web applications, where it's impossible to wait for such long-running complex task during HTTP request window. So, we are gonna fake the long-running task by using thread.sleep so that we can see a demo, instead for writing those resource-intensive codes. In previous demo we have create a basic application for sender and receiver. We will use same application which we have used earlier. We have declared queueName variable to store queueName which will be used in our application. We have created connection factory by assigning host name as localhost, since we have hosted RabbitMQ server in local machine. We created connection and then created model. By using model, we have declared queue by setting few default parameters, and then formed the message, and called basic publish method to send the message to the queue. In last demo, we have not set basic properties, but now we will create it. To get basic properties, we will call create basic properties method by using model object. It will return basic properties, and then we will set persistent equals to true. Basic properties are properties used for message metadata. Using this we can set message attributes. We will send this object to pass as a basic properties for basic publish method. Since I am using console application for now, I wanted to do some extra stuff, so that I can send messages multiple times without actually rerun the application. You can skip this process. This code will ask me, after every run that, whether I want to resend same message, and how many times. Now let's switch to receiver project. Most of the things will remain same. Only after receiving message, since we want to fake time-consuming job, we are going to write thread.sleep. I will wait for 3000 millisecond, that is 3 seconds. After that I will signal that task is finished. Let's run receiver first, so that it will wait for messages, which will be sent by publisher. Now let's run publisher. I have installed RabbitMQ management plugin to monitor the queues for messages. I have dropped the installations commands in description box. If you find some issues while installing, please let me know, will surely help. Here it is showing the queues, which are configured in our RabbitMQ server. Since till now, we have created only Q1 in previous demo. So it is showing only one. If I select the Q1, then it will show all information about the particular queue. In receiver window, it is showing messages being processed. Now let's open both windows side by side. I will resend messages from publisher for 10 times, so that receiver will process one by one, and since it's taking some time to complete one job, it will not pick another job until previous finishes. We can see all messages being processed one by one. Receiver started getting messages, and processing one by one. In graph also it is showing the messages are being sent and processed. Let's modify the message with counter number, so that we can clearly visualize the message which is being processed by consumer. Like this approach, we can create a work queue. That's all for this demo. We'll meet in next video where I will be showing publish subscribe model. Thanks for watching.